Fit the bill to supersize your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here with Supersize Your Business, mostly for male entrepreneurs, but for everybody. This month we are focusing on idioms that have something to do with contribution, the contribution area and aspect of our life. And I think the reason many of us, if not all of us, start a business is to contribute in some way, shape, or form to the world, to make the world a better place, starting by making ourselves secure and our families secure. So, fit the bill is an American expression that's been around since the 19th century. It originally was filling the bill. It came from theater and producers finding short acts to supplement the main attraction, and they called that filling the bill. But business owners at the time, and many of them in the shipping industry, came to call it fit the bill, meaning that the item that was being shipped was suitable for a particular purpose. It was fit for use. It met required standards or met the requirement of what people were buying and selling. So if we think of fit the bill in our organizations and in our businesses, it's slightly different for each and every one of us, but it still means a couple of things. In manufacturing, it means that the item that we're purchasing or using or selling is fit for use. It meets the specifications. It does what our customers expect it to do. When I am in manufacturing businesses, and I've been in many, a lot of times we have detailed specifications in terms of what the component or the end product, what criteria it has to meet. And I remember in my Italian food business, I made the attempt of saving money and resources, of course, by purchasing spare parts from the Chinese and from China. They were manufactured in China, and although they met the specifications, they didn't work on our equipment. Our equipment was some of it from Italy, some of it from different countries, but the Chinese parts, although they physically measured and met the specifications, they didn't work in our equipment. They were of softer materials, etc., and they just didn't fit right. So they weren't fit for use, even though they met the specifications. So we can think we're meeting the specifications, but the items still won't work for us. That's a great way to think of looking at things from our customer's perspective or our employees' perspective. Their expectations are actually more important than, because they determine, just like they decide what our brand is, they determine what is fit for use. They decide whether something works for them or not. We can try to convince them, we can share expectations, we can share information, we can market things, but ultimately the customers decide whether something is fitting the bill, fit for their use or not. Compliance, audits and things, and measures are important to remember when we're determining if something is fit for use or not. And we need to do audits of our customers' expectations, just like we need to do audits and compliance and measurement to make sure that we're meeting those specifications and expectations for the people that we serve. So love to know your experience with this particular idiom, fit the bill. I don't know that I've ever said that fits the bill or let's fit, but I've definitely had a lot of experience working with specifications, compliance, customer expectations, employee expectations, my expectations. Does this person's performance meet my expectations? Yes or no? So share in the comments below your experience with this particular idiom, if you've ever heard it, if you've ever used it, and what it means to you. I will, of course, be with you tomorrow with another idiom related to the area of contribution. My brain's not working. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.